Welcome the students of CIP. Let us consider. Today we will learn some application of satellites, where satellites can be used as an application, in which places satellite can be used as an application. It is extensively used for providing long distance communication such as telephony. It has meteorological applications such as weather forecasting, weather survey, and study of different layers. It is widely used for remote sensing and earth observation. It is used for military purpose applications such as spying, surveillance. Satellites are being used for global positioning system. These are the some applications required for the these are the some useful applications of satellite. So remember all these applications. In the exam they may ask you to write down some applications of satellites, and these are the some applications that are used for satellite designing technique. And these are the some application used for satellite designing technique. And you don't need to remember more than these applications. If you are asked to write some applications of satellite, then you say these applications. These especially meteorological applications has very good applications, like say DRDO or ISRO have already launched satellite for weather forecasting, weather survey, study of different layers, and remote sensing and earth observation. Satellite application is important. Some military purpose applications like spying and surveillance, those applications are very important for satellite applications. Global positioning system, that means it is used to track the location of a particular object by using satellite. And telephone, long distance communication, telephony, telegraph, television. We are observing some match, some games. We are observing some match, some games in the television. This live games or live telecast has been organized by a satellite. Satellite captures the live telecast, and satellite communicate live telecast to you with in your television. Live telecast to you in your television. Satellite displays the live telecast of the match to you through this television. And this the television match is going. The match is going in somewhere else. Satellite takes the live telecasting of the match, and it is broadcasted in your television, or it is displayed in your television by using satellite communication technique. That means you have a television antenna. Antenna is connected. Antenna is receiving the signal from satellite, and it is showing, or it is displaying the match in your television. So each and every television has an antenna. Antenna is connected with your antenna has a connection. Antenna is connected in wireless mode with satellite. So it receives the signal from the satellite, and the television displays. It receives the signal from the satellite, and the television displays, or television shows you the match with due to the satellite communication technique. And it is one kind of long distance communication technique, such as telephony and telephony and television. Even in some mobile phone also we have antennas. In mobile phones also we have small antennas which are used for satellite, which is connected in wireless mode through satellite, and it receives signal from the satellites, electromagnetic signal from the satellites, and you can call, so that you can receive a call from any other person of any other country or any other particular state. So it is used for telephony also. These are some basic applications of satellite. Remember them. From tomorrow we'll learn some satellite orbital path definitions, and from tomorrow onwards we'll go to optical fiber communication technique. How optical fiber communication technique is used, that we'll learn from tomorrow. This is a small applications of satellite. Remember those applications. These are very useful, and it is used today satellite is used rapidly for long distance communication and weather forecasting, and because each and every satellite has three phases: ignition, burnout, separation. So at the front end of the satellite, it is connected with the camera takes images of any particular location of Earth, and the images are displayed in one particular in computer or at the receiver terminal. The person observes the images that are being captured by satellite of a particular location of the Earth. Those images are captured by satellite of any particular location of the Earth, and receiver at the receiving terminal, receiver observes the image, and he or she takes decision about the image. So it is used for image processing application also. Sometimes satellites are used for image processing related application also. The image can be processed by using satellites also, because satellites can capture image by using the front end camera. So these are the brief applications of satellite. So from tomorrow I will teach you some very important definitions of satellites, and from tomorrow onwards I will start optical fiber communication technique. That is very useful.